Electrical trades here at Southern Tech is an 18-month program. Students come in, as well as getting their gen ed portion in that program. They also learn, different things about electricity and running motors, controls, things like at Disney World or Universal Studios. They run the rides there, that's all motors, controls. And that field, pretty much prepares you to go out to do those types of jobs.
The program is 18 months long. It is an AS degree.
We have a lot of different tracks here for everybody's situation. You could be working full-time. A lot of my students are single parents trying to schedule that. So they can come in morning or evening before or after work, and it's only 4 days a week for 4 hours a day.
And the students tend to really like the hands-on, and what the hands-on does for them is it gives them real-life experience.
They're coming in with a breadth of knowledge that they would not have elsewhere. And that is the special piece that students at Southern Technical College are getting.
All of our programs definitely have employability out there, so they have a lot to choose from.
We are in the vacation kingdom of the world, so to speak. So there is motels, hotels. They can get into the maintenance end of the business. So we have construction, we have maintenance supervision. There's just no end. We have low voltage wiring. We have alarm systems. There's so many different factors in electrical that people don't even think about.
At Southern Tech College, get in, get out, and get ahead.